Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can resize the keyboard on your Android phone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put likes, write comments. Let's get started. To do this, you will need to go into any app where you can write a message. I, for example, went into Just Post. I'm going to show you two ways you can resize your keyboard. The first one is on the keyboard itself. You'll need to find either a sign like this, like I have, or three dots and click on them. This is where you'll find the size of your keyboard. You click on that, and you and I can change the size of the keyboard by just dragging it up or down. For example, when it is small, you can see that the font is quite small. If I make it big, then the font will be twice as big. Also, another way how you can change the size of the keyboard. To do this, you will need to go to the phone settings by clicking on the gear. Or you will find this setting also in your keyboard. Also, if you press the gear and go to the menu. On my phone, on my Android, I do it through the phone settings. Swipe down to the bottom of the screen on the right side by pressing the gear. And here you need to find if you're doing it through the phone settings the display. Then you need to find the keyboard size. And as you can see, I have it set to medium size right now. You can find the same keyboard size if you click on the gear right here through the keyboard. It's just that every Android has different settings, so it's different. So when you find the keyboard size, the font size, you can drag it, for example, to the larger side and see how your keyboard will change by example. After that, if you start typing something, you can see that the text has already increased quite a bit. But this doesn't only affect the text that you are writing, and it can affect absolutely all the text that you have on your phone. So you can choose your own method that you're more comfortable with. I hope that this video was helpful to you. You have seen how you can resize the keyboard on your Android. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes. See you soon, friends.